Hi, grade 4 Emirati syllabus. Today it will be a review before your exam test. But before I will go to our review today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Today I will make a quick review for make your test exam. It will be here the first part in our review today. It's a question about matching a sentence to the correct picture. Here we have our school is the best place to learn and make new friends. My classroom is bigger than our art room, but I like it more because it's quiet. We talk and send a message to our new friends because we want to meet him. I like all my school subjects, but art is the one. I enjoy the most. During the break time, the students chat together happily under the big tree. So today, so we now we know the sentence. We select the suitable picture by the suitable sentence. The first one, it will be our school is the best place to learn and make friends. Which one? This one. So this picture, I select this one by this one. My school is bigger than our art room, but I like it more. But I like it more because it's quiet. So I select this one by this one. I talk and send a message to our new friend because we want to meet him. So this one by this one. I like all my school subject, but art is the one I enjoy the most. So I like school subject, but the art is the one that I enjoyed. So which one? This one. So I select this one by this one. During the break time, students chat together happily under the tree. Which one here? This one by this one. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, my best friend always listens carefully when someone in the group is talking. Our English teacher, our English lesson is my favorite because we can read stories and learn new. Every morning, students check the timetable to see which subjects come next. We wear our school uniform proudly because it makes us feel part of the same team. During a break time, I meet my friends near the library to chat and share jokes. Let's go to another. Let's select the suitable sentence by the suitable lecture. My best friends always listen carefully when someone in the group talking. So I select this one by this one. Our English lesson is my favorite. We can read stories and know and learn new words. So this one. Every morning, students check the timetable with this one. Check the timetable to see the subject comes next. We wear our school uniform proudly because it makes us feel that we are the same team. So they select this one. During the break time, I meet my friends near the library to chat and share jokes. This one. So I will leave the rest to do by yourself. Okay. Here we have I answer one of them and I will leave another one to do it. Okay. I see you how to do it and I leave another to do it because I don't want to make the video longer to be able to review again and to listen again. Okay. So I answer two exercise and I will leave the rest to do by yourself. Here we say we space listen carefully when the teacher speaking. Here we must. I explained must and should before. Okay, you can return to the video and review what I told before. We must. Here is we must. All students are space the school rules to stay safe. It will be here follow. Okay, so must respect the rules the rules of the school. We respect our classmate. It will be here. We respect our classmate. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say, always face to other before we share ideas. Always listen. It will be here, always listen to others. The space in our classroom help everyone to learn. It will be here the space in our classroom. the space in our classroom. So I will leave this one because I don't know the space in our classroom. Let's go to another one here. Here it will be here the teacher. It will be here the teacher. To be here the teacher. It will be here the teacher. Space in our classroom help everyone. The space in our classroom help everyone to learn better. So I will leave this one now. I leave this now and now. Let's go to another one. Here we say, one space says we should walk quietly in the corridor. Here is one rule. One rule. Here it will be showing space means to be polite everyone, showing respect. Here we say to help someone, it's kind. Let's go to another one. Here it will be we space the art. We share. Here we space the art materials. We share. It will be here we share. We share the art materials so everyone can finish the project. Let's go to another one. Here is it will be here fair. Always fair. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have a comprehension, and we answering the questions below. I think we know this before, okay? And answer some this question many times. Okay, it's not difficult for us to do it. Every morning, Layla walks to the library near her school. She likes to read stories before classes start. Her friend Omar often goes with her because he needs to borrow books for his project. After school, they sometimes visit the mosque to pray and then stop at the market to buy fruit for their families. On weekends, Layla's father takes them to the museum to learn about old things from the UAE. It will be, this is abbreviation of what? United Arab Emirates. She enjoys seeing models of traditional houses and boats. Layla believes every place in her community is helpful. Because it teaches her new things. Layla goes to space before class starts. Goes to what here? As we know here, goes to the library before they go. The school near Layla's house, also it's a space to walk. So it's what? It's easy to walk. I think it's near her house, so it is easy to walk. So here the school is near Layla's house, so it's space to walk there. It's easy to walk there. Omar visits library because he has to has a project. Because Omar has here, as we know here, Omar has a project. Has a project. Has a project. After school, they go to space to pray to mosque, as we know here. Mosque. Where is the mosque here? This mosque. Layla space new things from all places in her community. Here, Layla space see new things from all places in her community. learns new things. Layla thinks every place in the community is, every space in the community is what is important. Here's to say, here's Layla space new things. Layla learns. Layla learns new things. Layla thinks everything, every place in our community is what is important. Without thinking, every place in community is important. So I put here important. So I will repeat it again. Layla goes to space before class starts. It goes to library, as we know here. As we know, he goes to what? To library. Omar, sorry, the school is near Layla's house, so it's space to walk there. It's easy. Omar visits the library because he has a project. After school, they go to the pray. After school, after school, they go to what? To go to pray. Go to what? Go to the mosque to pray. Layla space new things. Layla learns new things. Layla thinks every place in her community is what is important. Okay. I will leave this to do it by yourself. Okay. I answer one and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself because I don't want to make the video longer. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here we talk about writing. The nurse help. So I write for the first. The nurse works in what? So I write here. The nurse works in hospital. Works in hospital. In hospital. They work in hospital. Here is she helps sick. She helps sick people. Sick people. She helps. She helps doctors in work. She helps doctors. She helps doctors. She helps doctors. Okay. So here's the nurse works in hospital. She helps sick people. She helps doctors. Let's go to another one here. Here we have the engineer. The engineer works inside. They used they use he used different he used many tools he used the he used the he used he used many kinds of tools when they work. He used many he used he can say he used drill use drill. For example, he used the drill to fix things, or to make to fix things. And also use hammer, and use hammers, and many and use the and use hammer also. He works in construction sites. He works also in construction sites. Construction. So I leave this one. So I would like to write here in this part. Say here, the engineer works inside. He uses the drill to fix things, and hammer, and many other things. Okay, I will stop here in this part. Okay, because I don't want to make to write more and more. Okay, to don't make a mistake, a spelling mistake. Let's go to another one. Let's go to another one, which is about the farmer. The farmer works in what? The farmer, it's an easy job. The farmer works in farm. The farmer works in farm. They, or you can say he grows crops and keep animals. Keeps animals. He uses axe and tracks. And tractors. Tractor. With axe and tractor. With axe and tractor. Okay. He uses axe and tractor. So here he uses axe and tractor. Okay. So I'll make a full stop here. Okay. So I talk about 2 jobs here. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. Now we know how to do it, and I think you can do it by yourself, the rest. Okay. Here we talk about the teacher. The teacher works at school, teach us many subjects. The teacher teaches us many subjects. He uses science, helps me to learn. I think it's easy to write about the teacher. Okay. When we talk about the chef, we say what? We say the chef works in kitchen. They make us delicious food. They cooks different kind of food and make us a delicious food. Okay. Computer programmer. The computer programmer is an important job. They make us different. They make different. They make us the computer programs. They develop computer programs to help our computers to be updating about to make our computers updating. It's a difficult job because they know more and more every day. We have we have new in computers about the applications, about new programs, about everything. Okay, so here by this text, by this question, we end from our video. Best of luck of you. I hope to benefit and enjoy during this term. Best of luck of you, and I hope to answer well in your exam. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.